How to recover a hacked Gmail account, step-by-step guide. A hacked Gmail account can expose your emails, contacts, financial information, and connected online accounts. If you notice unusual activity such as unknown emails being sent, password changes, or unfamiliar login locations, it is important to act immediately. Fortunately, Google provides several recovery options to help you regain access and secure your account. This guide explains how to recover a hacked Gmail account, signs that your account has been compromised, and tips to prevent future attacks. How do you know if your Gmail account has been hacked? Your Gmail account may have been compromised if you notice any of the following. You cannot log in with your usual password. Your password has been changed without your knowledge. Recovery phone number or email address has been changed. Emails have been deleted or moved unexpectedly. Messages are being sent from your account that you didn't write. Unknown devices appear in your Google account. Security alerts from Google indicate suspicious activity. You receive notifications about unfamiliar sign-in attempts. If you experience any of these issues, begin the recovery process immediately.
Step 1. Go to Google's official account recovery page and enter your Gmail address. Use your recovery phone number, recovery email, or trusted device to verify your identity.
Reset your password and create a new, strong password that you haven't used before.
Remove unknown devices. Review recent activity. And enable two-step verification. Never share verification codes. Avoid suspicious links. And always enable two-step verification. If this video helped you, like, share, and follow for more Gmail security tips.